Hi, welcome back to ReactJS class. This is Vivin Arana, and today we will look at what JSX and Babel are. JSX is nothing but JavaScript XML, and it lets you write HTML in React. We wanted to know why do you want to write HTML in React. The reason is if you saw the create element that React provides is not that friendly when you have to write a lot of code. So that's why we use JSX, which lets you write HTML in React. So you're writing HTML in JavaScript. So that's where JSX comes handy. Babel, on the other hand, it converts ECMAScript 2015 plus code into backward compatible version of JavaScript. So it will take your code that you have written and try to convert it into create element tags in React. So it helps you quite a lot to write all this code, convert that JSX into a React code. So it's kind of a compiler for you. Let's go ahead and look at the code that we created before. So this was the code that we added. And if you go to React's website, Introduction to JSX, you'll probably see how to write more JSX, how does it work. It will help you more. And if you remember, in my previous class, we created this and we had a couple of div elements added, one div element added, one h2 and one p added. So that's where we get this code. Now, if I want to write it much more cleaner, I can directly go ahead and write this as div, and inside that I can say h2. This is how I would write in our using HTML. So next one is p, and p has, I write this code just the way this is, remove everything here, put that comma back in, and save the file. So the reason this is not working right now is because I forgot to remove this. So let's go ahead, remove that, and this is what I want to render, and this is where I want to render. So this is how it works. Now you can't add styles and all those things because it will not work as expected because this is JSX format and you have to do much more for that, which we'll look at in the future. But if you look at Babel web page, this will tell you more about how Babel works, and you can, if you try it out, you can go here, take your code, copy this, write your code here, and you'll see how it creates create element for you next to it. So that's how it will convert your existing code into older fashioned code if your browser doesn't support a particular format, and it will create the create element function that we looked at before. So that's how JSX works with Babel, and we'll see more about JSX in the next video.